I can't say enough about CCC because that's my family. Everybody is so patient. So wherever you are in your journey, there's somebody there to say, it's okay, I've been there.
Well, I'm just impressed with the whole program, with director Erica Ray. I think she's a super leader, and I'm impressed with all the instructors, teachers, guides, and I like the students in the classes. They're from different countries, different races, but we all mix very well and have a good time together.
Like it's always something that you can do every day. It's like something new too.
I want to kind of get that out there as well, that there's no need to be shy in CCC, and you can just express yourself.
Any anxiety that I had that would cause me just to forget everything that I learned has decreased significantly because I'm practicing every single day. So I love the speaking classes because it gives me that practice immediately. So my ear has changed. And as I'm listening to podcasts or music, I'm picking up words that before, it would have just been sound.
Remember, E in Spanish is always E. So it begins with E. Electrodoméstico.
Electrodoméstico.
Sí, muy bien. Just like that. Electrodoméstico.
Electrodoméstico.
Mi pasatiempo favorito es estudiar español para dos partes, conversación en caminos y leer libros. Estoy leyendo 2 libros ahora en español y entonces estoy muy ocupado en español horas del día, sí.
Explica todo, porque hablas súper bien, León.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
$100.
$100?
Sí, es.
Yo quiero una bicicleta, pero no quiero pagar $100. Es demasiado. Tal vez puedes bajar un poquito más.
No, mi bicicleta es muy bonita, la pintura es muy bonita.
Wait, espera. Puedo pagar $80.
Leer con voz alto.
Practicas en casa leer en voz alta.
En voz alta. Hola, Carlos.
Hola, Eric. ¿Cómo estás? Bienvenido.
¿Cómo estás? Muy bien. ¿Cómo tu año nuevo?
Muy bien, Eric. Gracias, muy bien. Fuimos de vacaciones a Estados Unidos. Y ahora...
¿Dónde? Depende de la situación. Cuando después del trabajo es muy cansado y no me encanta cocinar.
Sí.
Allá en Jamaica colocan a los perros una vacuna llamada Giardia.
Sí, no, en Jamaica no tenemos una vacuna para Giardia, porque no es común.
I knew that as a lower intermediate, my biggest weaknesses were speaking, my fear of speaking, especially with native speakers, and my comprehension. Estoy un poco nerviosa.
No te preocupes, Linda. No te preocupes. Aquí todos somos amigos.
And it's really helped me get over my fear of speaking. I was very nervous at first, the first couple of times, but then I got comfortable, and now, I know everybody in the group, and I see that we're all pretty much struggling with the same things.
Por supuesto, el programa es en inglés, pero solamente subtítulos en español, pero no muy rápido.
I've also been extremely impressed at the age of the participants, that are in Caminos. I mean, it is not hard when you get older to learn and to concentrate, and so that's really been motivating for me as well.
Lina, ¿quieres contarnos? Cuéntanos. Ok, describe tu casa. ¿Cómo describirías tu casa, Lina?
Pues yo creo que mi casa es muy bonita.
Okay.
Y es un tamaño poco grande, pero no en comparación de las otras casas alrededor de nuestra.
Ok. ¿Alrededor de la nuestra?
De la nuestra.
Conversing has increased tremendously. I have much more confidence now than I did before. Recently went to a party in which we had a mixture of native speakers and English speakers, and I found myself speaking better than I had in the past, and I was pleased with that. La siguiente mañana, encima de la salsa, encima de pan tostado. Sí. Bueno. Cuando tengo éxito, tengo que hablar de ello. Pocos éxitos. I look forward to engaging in those conversations more. I've always had a problem of timidity and lack of self-confidence. So it's made learning a language much harder for me than probably for some. But I've just kept at it, and it's finally beginning to pay off.
I'm getting a lot of really good feedback from the people that I encounter that are Spanish speakers. Some of my friends, they're really good about encouraging me to keep going, and even strangers, they seem to appreciate the fact that I'm even trying.
Es verdad. Pero esta noche todos estaremos felices juntos.
Muy bien, les está saliendo mejor.
This has been on my bucket list. Wow. I have always wanted to learn Spanish. I just did not have time. I am seeing the progress, and that excites me more, which makes me want to study more and learn faster, because I'm really excited about speaking. And I'm trying to find other times in the day to fit things in. I love your instructors. They're wonderful.
Oh, thank you. I do too.
You just feel comfortable. If you make a mistake, it's okay, because that's something I kind of struggle with because I'm a teacher, but I teach nursing students. But I think when you're a teacher, you're a teacher. And so you have some of those feelings I know now that my students probably go through on the other side, but I feel so much more comfortable now. If there's anything that's going on in a conversation, they're so good, like Karen and Lena, they are. and so we just have so many good people that's just kind of lead you around and say, you don't feel bad. So I just love that about the group. En el pasado usé mi licuadora para smoothies. Pero batir, así,
yeah, what do you call that?
Sí, batidora.
Batidora, sí. If I'm gone or if someone's missing from the group, like we're all looking around and we're asking, did they come to the morning session maybe? Or so, yeah, you just grow to care about each other. And that's the feeling you get when you're there. So.
¿En tu sótano? ¿Y eso?
Sí, porque mi aire acondicionado no está funcionando.
Ay, no.
Sí. Pero aquí es mejor la temperatura.
I'm starting to kind of see opportunities where, like, I meet people who their first language is Spanish, and they may be trying to learn English, and they may want to communicate something to me. I see an opportunity there for me to be able to speak to them in their native language, and we can have like a better conversation.
Muy bien, Glenda.
Me gusta. El café.
Exacto, porque es yo. Me gusta.
Patricia, le gusta el café.
Ajá. ¿Y a Glenda qué le gusta?
Glenda, le gusta pan con café.
Really, this whole platform of yours is really my number one way that I study now.
So it's just a super program. I don't know what I've done without it.
And then she said, the Caminos family. And so those words just kept resonating. And I wanted to start before, and it was on my list and life. But then this time I said, yes, I'm going to do it this time. And I'm so glad. I'm so glad that I did.